from the stormy debates of Lumen Gentium to the poetic hope, no? Kasi Gaudium et Spes, ang tuwa at pag-asa ng tao. This time we ask, what happened after the council?
Yeah, kasi nga if Vatican II was an adjournamento, an opening of windows, no, of the church, the story that follows is also important, no? Ano yung hangin na pumasok dun sa bintana na yon? Kasi may iba nga nagsasabi that the smoke of Satan has entered the Church of God. And how did the church struggle to breathe in this air, no, from outside, no? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So we will be discussing yung mga iba pang documents. We will be discussing some immediate historical reactions. Of course, we will be seeing then continuing debates about the validity, the authenticity of the Second Vatican Council. No?